1401, cleared for takeoff. Contact departure on frequency 429er.
Wait! R2-D2, I am not programmed to fly these things. Now just turn us around this instant before we get into trouble. I knew it! Don't shoot!
Prepare to be boarded, Captain.
I'm afraid there's been a terrible mistake. I am
We know
C-3PO.
you have this rebel spy on board.
I have never seen that woman before.
Don't underestimate my power.
Someone could get hurt! Where are we now? The Wookiee planet. Imperial troopers, what are they doing here? I'm afraid you're not really allowed to be there. R2, hit the brakes! It worked! Not this way, R2! I'm sorry! Hang on! The transmission. Now what?
Yoda, I am. On your ship, one loyal to our cause you carry.
The spy.
Deliver her, you must, or all will be lost. To your outer unit, coordinates I will send. May the Force be with you.
I'm afraid we've all just joined the Rebel Alliance. This can't be right.
You can run, but you can't hide. Not from me.
That dreadful bounty hunter.
I have you now.
I have a bad feeling about this. I'm getting us out of here. I know exactly what I'm doing.
Say goodbye, rebel spy.
Sonic bomb!
No!
Don't start R2! Now get us out of here!
Star-Troopers, we were concerned about you. Is our agent safe?
Safe, but perhaps a little shaken.
We're grateful you made it. You are all heroes of the rebellion.
I rather like the sound of that. Now be careful out there, all of you. The Empire is watching. Pardon me, but how do we get back to a Star-Troopers?
Please remain seated until the captain has opened the exit doors. You may then unlatch your safety restraints by pressing the release button on your left. Make sure you have all your personal belongings as you exit. Thank you for flying Star Tours. Bye-bye.